a beautiful fact that I just came to know happens to be Dr. Chef Vimal has been a part of a beautiful institution that I had been a part of. IHM Lucknow is where we came from, where we build up our हमारी नींव वहाँ से शुरू हुई और आज हम but thank you so much Chef, such a pleasure talking to you. Chef, today what we are discussing is that one very very important and very worrisome issue going अगर हम year on year देखें तो शायद hospitality schools में number of kids coming in who are interested in the culinary world that is dropping, not just the culinary but hotel management overall. Do you think that there is something that needs to be done? Why is that happening? It is really worrisome because the number of hotels every year is increasing. आज से 4 साल बाद 5 साल बाद where do you think that it's going? Number of people will not have the right manpower. Where will it lead to?
First of all, thank you for raising these issues. It's a very important and pertinent issue for all of us. And the drop that we have seen, if we take it in numbers, it is an actual drop of 67% in last 3 years.
Wow.
And 67% means that 33% people are coming in. Out of those 33%, probably the people who are suitable to get into the industry would hardly be 10%.
Just imagine.
So, in all, it will be a deficiency of 90% people wanting in the industry. The reasons for this, we people say that COVID one of the reasons, this happened, things went wrong, people were made to sit at home. It probably that is not what is the exact reason that we see here. What I have seen and observed, I've done a lot of studies also done papers on this, why the strength has gone down, why the interest levels have gone down. It is because somewhere as an industry, we need to become more responsive because the people who are joining the industry now, that we call a Gen Z or further
Generation Alpha.
Yes. This generation is not that patient that we expect. And that impatience is, the credit goes to the parents. We are also a part of that. My child asking me for something and starts showing tantrums, probably next 10 minutes, how will the leadership give that thing and ensure that we are in that. So that patience level is gone. It transfers to the school levels and to the education levels also. When the kid plans to come into the hospitality, this industry needs a lot of patience. And with this impatience, when the student comes into the hospitality industry, once he completes the job, the kind of response that the student gets right in the industrial training, that is where maximum dropouts are happening now. A challenging situation for all of us.
So do you advise that somewhere it is we who are responsible as the mentors in the industry, a part of parents, absolutely, a part of financial benefits that this industry offers at the starting stage, at the initial stage is not very high, that is a noted fact, 100%. But शायद कहीं ना कहीं passion को drive करने के लिए we as the mentors in the industry, we are killing the passion in the younger generation as well. Do you think so?
That is happening. I would relate it with one example. All the hotels take industrial trainings on board.
Of course.
If we count, see again, being probably a teacher,
of course,
we'll talk about numbers.
Ji, absolutely.
So if we talk about 100 people joining a hotel brand for industrial training, not even one remembers to get back to the same hotel for a job. Why is that happening? That means that experience was not something which was memorable, something which was cherishing, something that would have made a spark glow in that child. That yes, I will not go to any other brand, I am coming back to you to join you.
You have picked up such a beautiful point. I think shayad I did my industrial training at the Oberoi in New Delhi, and I was always very, very keen because probably at that stage, at that time, our passion was very, very different and our mentors were very, very good. You know, I still remember Chef Ajay Vij, who was a senior sous chef at the Oberoi New Delhi. Today he heads one of the divisions of Accenture India. He heads India operations. Just imagine where the chefs or where the culinary world is going.
I remember my experience from the Leelas. I always wanted to go back to there. Because the people who I spent my time there with, banquets we had one chef Khan. Right? Probably, to see him come suddenly in front of you, probably you'll take a step back.
We were so scared.
Yes. And he had a build of probably 6'3", 6'4" was probably
Wow.
similar build and a darkest of couple. But the skills that he had, the way he taught me the things, it was amazing. Day one was he took me to the kitchens. We had Leela's at that point of time had 7 restaurants and all kitchens were attached together. So it was almost 400 square yard of a setup. We were standing in one corner. I said, "How does it look? कैसा लग रहा है? इधर अच्छा लग रहा है? नहीं अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. कुछ कमी है. शेफ आप बताओ. तो दिख रहा है कुछ? तो क्या है? मैंने हाँ टाइल्स वर देयर टू 7 फुट तक टाइल लगी हुई थी. वाइट टाइल्स पूरे में. इसमें कई स्पॉट्स दिख रहे हैं. शेफ दिख रहे हैं. आप आज का काम ये आप टेक दिस अप. शाम तक पूरा रेडी कर. सो आई एक्चुअली डिड दैट. 7 feet ऑफ हाइट, सारे टाइल्स 400 स्क्वायर यार्ड का किचन, डिड दैट. उसके बाद जब मैं बैठा हुआ था तो ही केम इन, डिड यू हैव फूड? मैंने कहा शेफ अभी तो नहीं खाया. क्यों नहीं खाया? कब मैं सोचा मैंने ख़त्म कर देता हूँ. हेल्ड माई हैंड, ले जा करके तंदूर वाले के वास्ते खड़ा कर लिया. ये बच्चा जो बोलेगा अभी बनाएगा फ्रेश और इसको यहीं सुना. एंड दैट वाज समथिंग. उसके बाद जो मुझे जो सिखाया और जो काम दिए, मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं इस चीज़ को कि मुझे नहीं करना. दैट वाज अ मेंटर.
It is such a beautiful point that you have taken up. I think शेफ विमल ने एक बहुत important subject को टच बेस किया है यहाँ पर. टॉकिंग अबाउट द गुरु शिष्य परंपरा. शायद कहीं ना कहीं वो भी लॉस्ट होती जा रही है बिकॉज डेटा इनफ एंड मोर अवेलेबल है ऑनलाइन ऑन गूगल. शायद उस टाइम पे जब मैं शेफ विमल से वैसे काफ़ी जूनियर हूँ, बट जब शायद हमने जब अपनी इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग की है, हम जब ग्रो अप कर रहे थे, उस वक्त हमारे पास लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज होते थे. आई रिमेंबर कि हम लोग 8 रूममेट्स होते थे इन 4 रूम्स, टू पीपल ड्यूरिंग आवर कॉलेज डेज. सो हम लोग पैसे पूल इन करके वी यूज्ड टू बाय बुक्स because books were the only source of information. Today we have Google. Today आज एक गुरु जो भी चीज़ बता रहा है उसको जस्टिफाई करने के लिए, उसको क्रॉस चेक करने के लिए we immediately go on the Google and check. वो जो इंटरेस्ट है, जो एक बॉन्डिंग है, वो शायद बॉन्डिंग कहीं ना कहीं रिड्यूस हो गई है, कहीं ना कहीं कम हो गई है. And that is as well adding on to this declining numbers of hotel management aspirants. Chef, what would you like to recommend today's generation? क्या piece of advice देना चाहेंगे? What should be their focus on?
It is not only for the students. First, it is for all of us.
Sure.
Especially for the people who are working for the hotels. So it is not giving an advice immediately in the industry or to the young professionals who want to get into hospitality and make a career in hotel management. We need to retrospect. So in that retrospection, that retrospection would need all of us to get back to the industry. There was a beautiful interaction that we did at Radisson with the people from the industry and from the academia also. And in that, when we interacted with the hotel people, most of them said that the faculties from the hotel from the institution should come to the hotels for orientation programs. Not for a 2-hour program, or it should be a 7-day to 15-day orientation. That will make them abreast of what is going on, latest क्या चल रहा है, नई चीज़ें क्या आ गई हैं, और आप जाकर के स्टूडेंट्स को शेयर करेंगे, उनका विजन और बेटर हो जाएगा. My take on that was that how many of you have gone back to your institution, spent at least 7 days at the institution, understanding what is the student like? Probably this is the need of the hour.
So wise. So wise.
If I am a chef and I go back to my, normally what happens is आप जाते हो, आप सेलिब्रिटी की तरह जाते हो, इंस्टीट्यूट में 2 घंटे निकालते हो, everybody is happy and then you are off. But in those 2 hours, are you able to understand students? जो crop हमारे पास next आने वाली है, are we understanding that? So my recommendation here is that all of our professionals, all our hoteliers, senior people should take time out, go back to your own institution. खुद अपने के कॉलेज में चले जाओ, अपने वाले में चले जाओ. Not necessarily कि आप कहीं और जाइए, अपने कॉलेज में जाइए. Spend 7 days with the kids in their classrooms. First year, second year, third year. वहाँ से हमें वो साइक मिलेगा, वो इंसाइट मिलेगा जो इंडस्ट्री में चेंजेस करने हैं हमारे. वी आर डूइंग इट विद आवर ओन थॉट्स. ऐसा होना चाहिए, मॉलिक्यूलर गैस्ट्रोनॉमी आनी चाहिए, राइट? दिस शुड हैपन. ये हम डिस्प्ले ऐसे करेंगे, या सिस्टम्स पे, ओपेरास पे हम ट्रेन करेंगे. दिस इज नॉट वर्किंग एट ऑल. जो बच्चा आ रहा है हमारे पास में उसका थॉट, क्योंकि गूगल एंड अदर फीडबैक्स बहुत सारे उसके पास में है, बहुत सारे चैनल्स वो फॉलो करता है, बहुत सारे शेफ्स को, सेलिब्रिटीज़ को फॉलो करता है बच्चा। जब वो इंस्टीट्यूट में आता है उसका एक्सपेक्टेशन इज अकिन टू दैट।
It is such an important thing that Chef Vimal has just mentioned. I think I am certainly gonna do this for sure. शायद कहीं ना कहीं ग्राउंड रूट लेवल पे जाकर उन बच्चों से बात करते हुए will as well understand and will realize that what is it that they want, what is it that they're looking at, what is their frame of mind, because understand that we are talking about, शायद हम जो comparison कर रहे हैं वो हम आज से 26 से 30 साल पहले की बात कर रहे हैं, दैट इज 26 एंड 30 साल का डिफरेंस की बात कर रहे हैं, दैट्स यू नो मैसिव। आई थिंक वेरी वेरी वैलिड पॉइंट, वी शुड गो डाउन टू ग्राउंड रूट लेवल एंड अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट देयर थॉट्स आर। आजकल की जनरेशन के रिक्वायरमेंट्स अलग हैं, डिज़ायर्स अलग हैं, विजन्स अलग हैं। वेरी वेरी वैलिड पॉइंट सर।
And not only this depend on this. Probably once in a month, if it's see, hotels will have to do a lot of compromise.
True.
Businesses will have to do a lot of compromise, wherein they have to release their people for good 2 days. Probably going to a +2 level school, interacting with a student bracket of 10th, 11th, and 12th, class 10, 11, and 12. There we'll get a apt understanding and an understanding of what is their expectations if they get onto the hospitality careers. वहाँ से जो मोल्डिंग होगी, बिकॉज एज पर द न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी एंड द न्यू ड्राफ्ट्स बीइंग ब्रॉट इन, होटल मैनेजमेंट विल बी अ सब्जेक्ट इन क्लास 11 and 12.
Yes.
So probably this is where we need to nail it. क्लास 11 and 12 हमने नेल कर दिया, हमारा बच्चा हमें मिलेगा, वो बच्चा इंडस्ट्री में आएगा। पे पैकेज एंड ऑल इट्स सेकेंडरी। वो सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम भी है प्रीटेटेड हाइप की ड्रॉप करने के लिए वी आर गिविंग देम आई वॉश रीजंस। पे पैकेज अच्छा नहीं है, लॉन्ग वर्किंग आवर्स है। डेफिनेटली आज के बच्चों के लिए मैटर करता है, दे वांट गुड पैकेजेस, प्रॉब्ली फर्स्ट जॉब दे वांट एन एप्पल आईफोन टू बी इन हैंड।
Of course, needless to say, of course.
They talk about work-life balance now. We had students, CEOs of the companies coming over, discussing things with us here, and in the session, student stands up, said, "Can you tell us something about the work-life balance?" And the CEO of the group was taken back that, how can you talk about work-life balance here? We did not think about it for the next 15 years after having joined the job. That is the change that we need to address. Student wants work-life balance right from day one. So balancing it is out, making things even. We have good students on board that are really loving to get into hotel industry, wanting to make wonderful careers, and good quality students. When I say quality, it is their communication skills,
Of course.
their understanding of things, the picking of things, and their modulation of things
Sure.
is way better, way ahead of what we had. So why not use this?
I think these points, what Chef Vimal have mentioned, I think all of them stand certainly out. Understanding that kahin na kahin GDP of the country 10%, approximately 10% rely करती है hospitality के ऊपर. Hospitality drives India's GDP. 10% is the contribution by hospitality division of Kalali sector. I think अगर हम इसी पेस पे चलते रहे, हमने ये स्टेप्स या इन मेजर्स को कंट्रोल नहीं किया, तो वेरी मच अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि आज से 10 साल के बाद वी विल बी स्टैंडिंग एट अ पोजीशन वेयर थिंग्स विल नॉट बी very very good to look at. I shall be looking forward and will catch up with some more chefs, understanding where we are heading towards and looking forward.